In this video, let's talk about how to fix lost GPS signal during a workout in Strava. So if you're also facing this issue, let me show you a couple of solutions that you can try out. Firstly, make sure that the location is enabled on your device. So make sure that the location that you have on inside of your phone is always enabled. If this is not enabled for you, then GPS would not likely work. Secondly, also make sure that Strava has the permission of location. So what you can do in this case is tap and hold the app of Strava, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings, head over to app permissions and make sure that the location is set to allow. Only if it is set to allow, you should be able to use GPS without having any issues. Now, even after doing both of these steps, you're still having issues, you'll also need to make sure that you have clear views of the skies. GPS works best outdoors without tall buildings or trees blocking the signals. So make sure that you are on a clear view with a clear view of the sky, and also make sure that you have not turned on any sort of battery optimization or battery saver mode on your phone, which prevents any sort of GPS signals. So once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, even after doing all of these steps, you're still having issues, then that likely is the glitch on your phone. So in this case, what you can do is just restart your device. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you in the next one.